What is logical reasoning in high school problem solving? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where every piece fits perfectly once you figure out the pattern. That's what logical reasoning is all about. It's a way students analyze information step by step to find solutions. Think of it as your mental toolbox for tackling questions in math, science, or even social studies. When you use logical reasoning, you look at facts and clues carefully, then connect the dots to make sense of everything. This skill is key for academic success because it helps you think clearly and avoid mistakes. Logical reasoning starts with premises, which are facts or statements you accept as true. From there, you can use two main ways of thinking. Deductive reasoning is like following a recipe. If all ingredients are correct, then the final dish will turn out right. For example, if all students in a class have homework, and John is a student in that class, then John has homework. Inductive reasoning is more like noticing patterns over time. If every time it rains, the ground is wet, you might guess that rain makes the ground wet. Both types of reasoning help you make sense of information and draw conclusions. In high school, logical reasoning shows up everywhere. In math, it helps you follow steps to solve equations or prove formulas. In science, it's used to analyze data from experiments and figure out what the results mean. Even in social studies, logical reasoning helps you evaluate arguments and understand different points of view. Improving this skill makes you a better thinker and problem solver. When solving problems, it's helpful to follow a few simple steps. First, clearly identify what the problem is. Then, gather all the facts or clues you have. Next, look for patterns or relationships between the facts. Use deductive thinking to narrow down options and inductive thinking to see if broader conclusions fit. After that, make a decision or propose a solution based on your analysis. Finally, check if your answer makes sense and adjust if needed. Mastering logical reasoning boosts your confidence in school. It helps you approach questions with a clear plan and reduces guesswork. The more you practice, the better you get at spotting connections and making smart decisions. This skill isn't just for tests. It's a useful tool for everyday life, helping you think critically and solve problems efficiently. So, next time you face a tricky question, remember that logical reasoning is your secret weapon for finding the right answer.